Okay, basically what you do is you hold up and down, and that will take it into the programming section. Okay, get the middle button. And then just hold the top button. Until it turns over. Then once you do that, you can hit the middle button again. It'll take you the rest of the way out. Then I hold the top and the bottom button, and that takes me out. Now, you can see my miles is 0, and my trip odometer is 0. So with just a few seconds, you can turn these bikes back to 0. So if you're buying an e-bike, just keep that in mind. They said it only has 400 miles on it. It may have 50,000 miles on it. Who knows?
And remember, alterations are guaranteed for 50,000 miles.
That's very easy to turn them over. So just keep that in mind when you're buying a bike. I used one anyway. Wanted to go over this again, how to reset the miles here. You hold the up and down button. That gets you into the programming. Then you push the middle button. It'll take you up through each of the programs. And you look for the number that you have on your miles. Like this would be it right here. I went 6 miles, so it's on this particular one, it's P09. And if I'd hold the top button, it would reset to 0. But if you don't push anything, it'll go off just like it did it right there. Alrighty, and that's how you reset your odometer. So just remember, if you're buying a bike and it says it has really low miles, that doesn't actually mean it might not have low miles. Because they're very easy to turn over. Okay, alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you. And if you want to see my 7,000 mile update, I'll put a link for it up above. I've rode 7,000 miles on this bike. Oh, my butt hurts.